Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum also in line with the broader sector experienced a sell-off yesterday. It's a bit of a rebound today, a rally into the communicated micro resistance that I communicated yesterday already. I think we might be in the fourth wave there in the yellow count and could see one more low that might test 2009.76, the next key Fibonacci support. Or even the 2789 level, which is the 100% Fibonacci extension of this A wave. And then we compare that to this C wave, and that would take us to $2,789. Overall, not much happened. I mean, yeah, of course, we sold off, but we're still in the support area. We haven't broken below the 20th of March low. And we get a bit of a rebound today. So it will be interesting to see if we stay below resistance. Those are the parameters I would say for the weekend to watch. Possible that we get a boring wave 4 weekend in which the market is gonna try to sort of consolidate in the resistance area. What's that resistance area for? Well, it's measured, okay, against this high. I should actually, or maybe I'm gonna adjust it, because I mean the way to do this is to take obviously the length of the third wave. I think my thought process was when I measured this resistance that this here could be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but sometimes these are all hidden in that one candle. So yeah, okay, let's give it a little bit more space. Let's lift that to 3,338. That sounds a bit better, because I think we could get two more lows, but it's worth knowing that we could actually be in the main fourth wave already. So we'd rather give it a little bit more space. So 3,339. And then we could still get one more low as long as the price stays below the 50% retracement. What happens if we break above that level? Well, it could be something more bullish. The low could be in, which is possible, but based on a double bottom rare. So this would be difficult to sort of justify. It would have to be some kind of a weird start of a diagonal pattern or something, or we would need to see more price action. I actually thought about maybe this is transitioning into a triangle pattern. I mean, if we now see a rally without one more low, I mean, the low could be in at any point, right? And that's one thing to mention. We are in a correction. The correction time-wise has certainly been long enough. The correction price-wise has certainly come down deep enough. The low could be in at any point. It's all about probabilities. So when we're looking at this structure in yellow, it's an ABC structure. The C wave would really need one more low. It can always be a WXY. Could have bottomed already, but then the Y wave would be very short. So, but then I would need more evidence, because if it's not an ABC but something different, I need more evidence that the correction is over, like a break above micro resistance, like a break above the wave 2 high at 3,614, and a break above the B wave high at 3,730. But at the moment, probabilities would suggest it's either an ABC structure, in which the C wave gets one more low and we might test those levels I already mentioned, or it could be a triangle pattern. So that would be what I'm going to observe next if we break above micro resistance. If it's a triangle, then we might be doing really this, just sort of this sort of, triangle pattern basically, which could be a wave 4. Wave 4s can be triangles. As I said, they are very rare. They have become very rare in crypto. And, oh no, this would be the B wave. Yeah, so they've become very, very rare in crypto. Still maybe worth watching for this trend line. Okay, that could be a D wave and then an E wave. And the wave 4 will end here. And we might then not make one more low. I'm happy with both options, as long as we don't break and sustain really below 2009.76, because that's really critical support. So I'd be happy if it actually breaks resistance, could transition to a triangle, might mean that we will get a breakout directly without another lower low. Besides that, I'm still watching for one more low as long as the price stays below resistance, and these resistance parameters will be the parameters to watch for at least for today. We'll see if the market can break above it. And then it might be worth watching for the D wave. And if the D wave of the triangle is unfolding, it needs to stay below the B wave top, 3,730, or we have a breakout to the upside. And then it could take us higher in the fifth wave. Bear in mind, this is a bullish structure still. I mean, it's consolidation, certainly testing our patience, but there's no sign at the moment that the bull market is over. So we'll see. I mean, support is defined. Sometimes those pullbacks can be rapid. in the crypto sector, but we haven't broken any support yet on the ETH chart. So let's keep watching. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.